Oh, how's everybody doing? This is me in my ride here. I have a rental car while mine is actually in the shop. So the insurance covers it and it's a beautiful car. I'll turn the camera around in a second so that everybody can actually see. Let's see, actually. Yep. Very, very nice. You have Sirius radio, it has a backup camera, it's got nice cold AC. This was issued by the town of Greenwood Lake, village of Greenwood Lake. So I got a handicap pass. This ticket right here is from the hospital, which has a significant meaning to me. It was the last time I saw my dad. He passed away in the hospital June 12th, 2 years ago. So it's a stupid little piece of paper, but it has a lot of meaning to me. It's basically the last time I saw my dad. So I'm keeping it for as long as possible and have a little barrette, basically. Proud American. Nice mirror, lights, very nice car. I'm not sure how to turn this camera around.